The boxes moved, so they're in a panic.
Yeah, it's the same box.
Mm-hmm.
This is what's been there, but
It's different. It's
yeah.
the same, but different.
The friggin' little mushroom growing on the side of a tree. Yeah, just how geocaching. Ouch! Oh, I hate these freaking thorn vines. Oh. There, juicy pear. Yeah, those are the ones that taste like vomit. Move the one wood pile into the trailer. I'm gonna sell that. Then I still got a bunch of those rounds to cut up. I got that cherry wood cut up to size for cooking with. And random other stuff to get cleaned up. I gotta kind of hack this stuff down, what's left of it, after I scoop up the dog shit. Figure this mess out again. Jeez. I was gonna do a video of getting this thing going, but I just kind of decided I wanted to get it done. I didn't want to screw around with the stupid camera. And besides, it was kind of uneventful anyways, because all I really needed to do is just kind of clean it up and stuff and put fresh fuel in it. Fired right off. So I'll do some video of me using it. So can I have another beer, please? You're driving anyway. Yeah, chainsaws aren't exactly designed to cut lengthwise, but I can't exactly swing a splitting maul too well with this stuff because it doesn't really want to split that well, and well, my back can't handle it. Shit, I barely got any of these done. Yeah, I think I'm done for the day. Yep, 45, 2 and a 55 is always a good idea. Do a little bit of geocaching, going after, just got one that's fairly new. All it is a plastic baggie up in a freaking tree, so I don't think that one's gonna last long. Plus the guy has, he hasn't gone out and found a single one, or nothing. The guy's like brand new. But, yeah, okay, whatever. Really, dude?